We are now headed to another call where the client had somebody go out and diagnose a bad compressor. If he can't get it fixed, he wants an install as soon as possible. You guys are going to see at Transparency Home Services, we are fair priced. We have amazing financing options through Synchrony. I got this client all the way down to $187 a month for an inverter system on a long-term financing at 5.99%. All right, let's see what's going on. Empty.
All right, first thing, let's check the windings.
Nothing's grounded.
4.6, 4.2.
Yeah, we're good. Compressor's good. All right, client is going to turn it on. Compressor does not kick over. So one, this thing is empty on refrigerant. Empty. Stay ahead of this. Nobody wants to buy a system. I get that. But when you have to buy a system, that's the bad part. Stay proactive, stay educated,